Hi guys! Today's video, another holiday makeup look. In case you're looking for something that's extra glam than my previous suggestion. By the way, if hindi mo pa napanood, link is down below. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video to show your support. Anyway, without further ado, let's start. I'm going to start with the eyes kasi baka mamaya may mga fallouts itong gagawin ko. Get ready with the Radiance Concealer again. I really love this as an eyeshadow primer. For today's look, I'm going to use the Vice Cosmetics BT21 Universe eyeshadow palette. I'm going to take this shade first, and I'm going to use it as my transition shade. Just apply it all over your lids. Using a thinner brush, I'm gonna get this shade. Yes, let's go dark. I'm going to use it in a slowly but surely process. I'm going to sculpt yung aking deep set eyes. Last video ko, nag-feeling ako K-pop eh. So this time, let's go a little bit Western style. I'm going to embrace my deep set eyes na I got from my lola. Sometimes I find it difficult to do a full glam, you guys, kasi hindi pantay yung mata ko. Ta-da! Trust the process. I know it looks funky. Next I'm going to do is yung outer V naman. Just like in sa previous video natin, focus it sa half lang ng lash area. Next I'm going to do is clean up. Get the fluffy brush and then blend, blend, blend. And the next I'm going to do is, again, get this shade, same brush. It's okay kahit gamitin mo na yung same brush. And then I'm going to put eyeshadow sa eye bags area, lower lash area. And then get the dark one again. I'm going to apply it dito sa outer corners. Fashion 21, Defining Eyeliner in Black. It's a twist eyeliner. And then, ako ay magta-tight line. Meaning, yung ilalim. Ay, wait. Lalagyan ko muna pala ng... Using a flat brush, I'm going to do a combo of this and this and this. O, diba? And then, I'm going to put it over here sa gitnang area. And then, let's go dito sa bottom area. Not necessarily doon sa waterline, but closer to the lash area. Add a little bit dun sa ilalim ng lash area mo. Same brush, and then you go blend, blend, blend. And then we're gonna do a wing line. And then using your pencil liner, connect it with the felt tip eyeliner. Pero sa waterline lang para hindi ganun ka super obvious. I'm going to add a dark eyeshadow sa outer corners again. Sa outer V para hindi masyadong harsh yung eyeliner. And then sa ilalim na rin. And then I'm going to get wet wipes and clean up just a little bit. So, time for some blushes, pero babawasan ko yung mahabang part. Hatiin ko to sa gitna, and then I'm going to take this part. Gets nyo ba yun? These, like this. Also guys, another trick that I learned is yung lashes dito, don't feel pressured to like actually follow your lash area. Okay lang medyo bandang dulo medyo tumaas siya ng very, very slight. Okay, I'm just gonna let it dry. So I'm going to do my brows. This one is from Fashion 21 Auto Eyebrow Pen. I got the shade dark brown kasi yung hair ko mamaya is dark brown. No, di pa tuyo. Okay, let me do my face first. For primer, I'm done with my skincare, of course. Maybelline Baby Skin. Because ayoko ng dewy finish ngayon, let's go for a little bit matte. Kontuyo na yung lashes ko. Vice Cosmetics Super Mega Ultra Curl Mascara. You have to blend all the lashes, the fake and the real ones together. For foundation, FS Cosmetics Liquid Foundation with 30 SPF PA+++ and vitamin E. And I'm in the shade Buff. Like I said, I want everything to be matte. I'm going to set my foundation with a translucent powder from Detail Cosmetics. And I'm going to use my wet sponge. For contour, let's go for Pink Flash. I don't know anong shade nito guys, sorry. Pero ayan siya. Let me cut that fat. Let me show you a trick, you guys, that I sometimes want to do if I want to look extra hupak. I do this, and then I slowly but surely put a contour powder sa hollows of my cheeks. Like very, very tiny. And then ibababa ko ng ganon. And then the sponge. Blend, blend, blend with the sponge. Of course, nose contour. Again, I'll connect this bridge with my eyebrows. For the blush is not my priority for this look. So, kukuha lang ako ng shiny shimmering kind of nude shade. And then, dito sa outer side. So we can get that lift. Pero for highlighter, Wet n Wild Mega Glow. Yes, I'm aiming for a matte finish, pero we don't want to look dry. I'm going to contour my lips again. I'm so sorry, you guys. I got so addicted this past couple of days with lip contouring. Ayoko naman mag-lip filler, so lip contour na lang. L'Oreal Paris Signature Rouge in I Explore. This one has the right amount of matte, a little bit of dewiness. Forgive me guys, hindi ko mapigilan ang sarili ko. I need to add something red in the middle. This is from Maybelline Matte Cushion The Devil Wears Red. Guys, so this is the finished look. It's super simple, but yeah, I hope I was able to give you another choice for your New Year's Eve makeup. But yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.